The tale went that Pope Gregory the Great saw some beautiful blue-eyed, fair-haired and fair-skinned slaves in a market over in Italy, and was told they were angles. Not angles, but angels, he said. It were a pun, and it sparked an idea, one you can feel in Bede, that the English were a chosen race. This were the first time the English ethnicity ever got mentioned in history. Pope Gregory I would later send Augustine of Canterbury to bring Christianity to these new English folk. This tale were once a key part of the English national story, though it's been slowly forgotten. It was something every English child got taught back in the day, but the education system's gone downhill since. It's worth noting that in this first telling of the English people, they were slaves. And that's something the English had to fight against for nearly all our history, another thing the modern education system fails to teach.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.